Reading the news and everything negative about climate change is really daunting, but can small everyday actions really help combat climate change? And by us implementing small changes, we can make a big impact. Simple actions like reducing your energy use, biking or carpooling instead of driving, and choosing reusable products can significantly lower your carbon footprint. According to the EPA, the average American produces 16.5 metric tons of CO2 per year, but reducing energy waste can cut that by up to 20%. Take the first step today. Visit berksnature.org to explore ways you can make a lasting impact.